like 5 times now.
Well, I did it early the other day.
Wow, Gary.
I know for your birthday, your wife lined up
Yeah. Ooh, a 59 Ford. Awesome 59.
Boy, God, that was fun.
That's cool.
I haven't seen it in years. I have no idea.
Yeah. She's nobody's fool. Nobody's fool. Hey, I'm Cindy Lauper and I have the same birthday, same year. I knew there was a connection.
Same time, same place too?
Huh?
Same time, same place too?
Yeah. Just burst like that.
Another 59 Ford. Ooh, that's cool.
We just sit there and say, oh, okay, yeah, okay, now, okay, don't do anything. Brother, but they've got these checkdowns, and, you know, the F8 girl, somebody, you know.
Well, wouldn't do the right thing to do.
But they folded in the Hamas. The Hamas, they're
Roadmaster.
proven themselves as a civil negotiator.
And their command centers are in hospitals.
Yeah.
And then, yeah, Israel struck down hospitals.
Yeah. No. Yeah, so, you know, and the same guys, okay, what if we're sitting here, you know, like, these different countries that, and it showed us America, and it was like 5,000 or something like that. You know, it's like, yeah.
Active, ready to launch. There's more than that.
No,
That,
How many
that looks nice.
Russia and China
agreement on it. Federal Reserve. To me, that should be audited. So
I guess I don't even understand.
it's a private entity. It's not part of the federal government. It's a private business.
What do they call it?
Yeah. So they're saying that, you know, okay, so yeah. So over the history that that these economists think that they're going to eventually do it again. They'll have it on a different standard than.
Anytime you're ready, they're going to leave.
Nice car. I like it a lot. It's 32 Ford Roadster.
I'd have done some alcohol. Yeah, I don't even know how to play the drum. That's true.
Is this a hearse? Is this what this is? Oh, just a wagon.
That's what you want to go?
No.
Great drive.
Well, yeah, I think I did that once. Fucking Hawaii. Oh, 'cause 94 had horrible construction there. So then we had Buffalo, Minnesota. I think it was quite a few extra miles, but for him, being south of Fargo,
Yeah.
oh, God. It seemed just like. No, I much prefer him. And a lot of that.
Well, yeah, that's what you said.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No.
We'll be okay.
Yeah.
Partying last night for birthday, all hungover today. I think I deserve that.
Me, way back when. Where you guys going? No. There's a cheese curd stand right there.
Been there the whole time.
And I just noticed it now.